Which way do I want to go today? I'll go this way. Hayabusa. Busa, 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 bro. Award-winning charter school opening here in 2017. How is it award-winning if it's not open yet? I'm not seeing the logic. Ah, gross. Right out the side. Here, eat this. You can go, dude. Okay, I'm gonna go then. Those kids are like waving at me. That's funny. Oh. That bird's trying to catch a bug right here at the stoplight. That was weird. The weirder part was that I could see the bug and the bird. I figure that's what the channel's about. That guy gave me the peace sign. That's my buddy, dude. I have to go get him. This kid's waving. If he's still there when I come back after saying hi to my friend, I'm gonna give him a spam card. I knew that was you. I went by it first and I was like, that guy was giving me the peace sign and I was like, oh, that's my buddy.
Who else gives you a peace sign?
Dude, there are people in cars that do that.
But that's me.
I know.
My thing.
It's just your thing.
It is. What are you up to?
Just coming home from work tomorrow.
Thanks, man.
So.
Yeah, let me know.
Alright. Alright, man. We'll catch you later. I'm totally gonna give this kid a card because he gave me the wave when I went by before. How's it going? I was gonna give you one of these since you waved. I make videos on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good.
So you can go watch me ride around.
Got it.
Have a good day. I guess that was a gal, not a guy, but I still gave him a spam card. And no offense to you if you're watching this, I just did not get a good enough look when I went by the first time. Thank you. Yeah, dude, you can't cut corners like that. That's not cool. Oh man, if only we were going straight, this would be fun. Listen to that. That sounds nice. It's just like chugging. Blah, 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 blah. Pretty cool. See, I'm all about like Porsches and Ferrari and stuff like that. The Nissan GTR, those are all sweet cars, but nothing replaces that sound. Jeez, dude, take it easy. That guy came across turning left, way too close. Saw dudes. That guy didn't even look. Just threw out of the spot, whatever. Don't do it, dude. Stupid. Damn, they don't make it like this anymore. I ask, anybody make real shit anymore? Wow, did that just happen? That car just passed the WO to pass him. That's too funny, man. Look at that, and we ended up in the same spot. Miss Impatient. Don't do it. cool. It's one of the old Acura NSXs. See if I can get over to it. At least, yeah, that's an Acura NSX. That's one of the old school ones. That's cool. I just love that look. That's awesome. What's the point in even filling the potholes? Like, really? The rest of it looks like crap. I better fill in the holes. This guy's license plate says, "See you later." Pretty clever. See you later, dude. Aw, dang, check it out. It's the four-wheeler racer. Ah, that's the same guy, too. That's awesome. In one of my Sunday fun days before I quote-unquote raced that guy. I have not seen that around here before. Those are police on bikes, like mountain bikes. They're just like cruising the trails. That's kind of cool. That guy was doing a wheelie on his scooter. Man, I'm jelly. Alright, well, I have waited for a while now, so that was 3 light cycles I had to wait. I am just gonna go. That was a really long yellow light, and I was lucky, but I was not gonna stop because somebody was right on my ass. That's tight. They're all like giving me the thumbs up and staring at it and stuff. I wish I could give them a card. I just don't know how to get next to them. My mission is to somehow get these guys a spam card. I feel like I've failed. Do you want to pull in? Do you want to pull in? I'll give him a card. I was able to get him. Nice. What up, guys?
Hey, how's it going?
I make videos. I was going to give you a card.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
I would have given it to you while we were riding, but I ran out of room.
Yeah, ran out of room. Dude, that's a nice bike, dude.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I had a Gixxer 600 that got wrecked.
It sucks on the wrecked part, but those are nice bikes. What year?
It'll be fixed. I just bought it from him, so I'm gonna fix it up.
Nice, nice.
03.
What year is it?
03.
03? Yeah. That's awesome, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, you too. Michael, by the way.
Michael.
Steve?
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. What was it?
Hobie.
Hobie? All right. Good to meet you guys. Have a good one. Well, those guys were awesome. I'm glad I was able to stop them. Hopefully you guys are watching this. Good luck on that bike rebuild and stay safe out there. Back the fuck up. Are you kidding me right now? I love when people ride my ass and I get to turn around and give them that like disapproving look and wave them off. He listened to it though, so I'll give him that. Now I got the right idea. He's in a hurry, going to the next lane that's moving faster. Great freaking idea, dude. Hot damn. I'm too hot. Hot damn. About that money. Girls hate you, hallelujah. Girls hate you, hallelujah. This lady's laughing at me dancing. I don't even care. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 I feel like I need some of this going on. Funk you up, uptown funk you up, uptown funk you up.